So today we're cleaning some foxtail palm tree seeds, and I thought I'd show you a little bit about how I do that. So I've already got some here, as you can see, that I've gone ahead and cleaned already. So what I've done, I got these seeds from my father down in South Florida, and they came with all the pulp and fruit on them. So what I do is I put them in a bucket, so just a 5-gallon bucket from the local box store. And you can see they're soaking in there, and I'll pull one of these out so you can see they're been soaking in here for probably about 3 to 4 days now, which makes it really easy. And literally you can see sort of the flesh of these seeds just kind of literally falls off. And what I'll do is go ahead and just kind of scrub them a little bit and pull some of that extra pulp off. It makes it extremely easy for them to clean after you've had them in this soaking in water. Now these have been sitting outside as well, so the water is very warm, and all that just combination of all those things makes it really easy for these to clean. So that's really pretty much all it takes to get these seeds cleaned up. So that is a foxtail palm seed. So you can see, I'll go ahead and take my knife and clean up this a little bit at the top, and then what we'll do is we'll pot those up in most likely a gallon-sized bag with some peat moss or some orchid moss, and we'll go ahead and get those. In fact, you can see there's some sitting right here. These are where I've been doing some of our Christmas palms, and actually this is some foxtail palms that's in a light mix. These are sitting actually in a whole container of cycads seeds as well, that I need to go. These are sago palm cycad seeds. Basically the process is going to be the same for those as well too. So I'll soak those. You can see that they have a kind of rough or a tough outer shell that needs to come off to expose the inner seed before we'll pot those up. And then those will be the same process. We'll put those into some orchid moss or some potting mix, some light soil potting mix, and it takes a couple months for those to germinate up. So anyways, so that's a quick kind of sample of how we clean and prepare some of these foxtail palm seeds and get them ready for germination.